Good day, ladies and gentlemen. We are very excited to bring you a very interesting Ethereum update with Ethereum near all-time highs. It's at a very critical space where we're going to run through some technical analysis, talk about what we see happening both short-term and long-term. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit that bell icon to be notified of new uploads. And we also have my trainee, the man I've been mentoring for quite a while, Messin. What up, man?
Sorry, guys. He meant he's talking to the CEO here, but man, we're actually at a very critical level right now,
We are.
and we're reaching that apex. We've been looking at that for a while, so I think anything can happen now. We just want to see projected properly. But I think the best chart here that was the most telling, I think, was the 6 hour here. So
Yeah.
whatever you had open,
Yeah.
I think it's pretty good the way it's looking.
Yeah, and this is the 6 hour right here. Sorry for that screen movement, guys. I know how much you hate that. But point is, guys, we are in a wedge. We're very close to a breakout. I think we're likely to see one within the next few hours here. Whatever way we break out, we're likely to trend in that direction, more or less, right? So if I could just mention something off the bat here, the 20 EMA here on the hourly, we can tell we fell to it. We found support. So to remain bullish, I think, right off the bat, I think we have to remain above the 20 EMA here on the 6 hour. On the 6 hour to remain bullish.
Right.
Yeah.
And even right now, even the fact that we fell down to the 100 EMA, so you went back to the hourly here, I guess. If you go back to the hourly, we'll see that the 100 EMA, we found that clear support on it. And we are having lower highs as we move forward, coupled with the higher low. But I'm not sure if this right now, I don't know what you think, but I'm not sure that if it means that we might have we might try to still consolidate out of this. So the fact that if we break above this pattern right now, it could be very bullish and we could keep going up. But if we do break below it, then I think we will have consistent consolidation for a bit here. We'll probably see the buyers and the sellers a bit hesitant to come in right now.
Yeah, guys, we've been pumping a lot as of late. We could definitely break down. Again, kind of we were in an ascending triangle here, broke up bullishly. The breakout point was kind of 1160. We could definitely break down and retest that breakout point of 1160. Again, like you said, the 100 EMA there on the hourly is right there. So if we do indeed break down from this wedge, I think that's kind of our next stop for at least temporary support. I think that makes a lot of sense. Yeah,
definitely. And even for looking at the stochastic RSI right now on the hourly, we're seeing that, but both the stochastic and the actual RSI itself has been making those higher lows as we move forward too, right? More than and the higher highs are kind of struggling to keep going up, but we're definitely seeing that higher low as we move. We have 3 legs up towards that movement upward. Volume is still probably a bit very low, so it's not telling much, but I think the RSI here is actually telling.
Yeah, and guys, it's difficult to look at our indicators when we're near an apex, because the most important thing is whatever way we break out. Whatever way we break out, we're likely to trend in that direction. And another thing we've been starting to utilize more and more as of late is this pitchfork pattern, okay? Like we took the bottom of this movement, the top of the movement, and then the retracement. And I think if indeed we break out, we're likely to trend within the boundaries of this pitchfork for an extended period of time. Also, if I can just mention, I drew this red line here. This red line is Ethereum's all-time highs. We're very close to it. I think it's just a matter of time before we reach it. With Bitcoin having doubled its all-time highs and the altcoins typically lagging behind Bitcoin, we may break down here. But if we start to close above this red line, get within this green zone, I think all-time highs is not that far away. I don't know if you agree with me or not, man.
No, I do actually agree, and I think a breakout here is actually going to be very bullish, like you were saying, and even just maybe to also complement that, if we go to the 4 hour, the 4 hour itself shows you the MACD and the MACD tick up, and that sideways action, either sideways action or moving downward, is actually maybe it got the rest it needed. So we could be just maybe losing steam, going sideways, and we're kind of accumulating right now as we go. The MACD's been going sideways for a bit, and not until recent, the past couple of candles here, we saw that uptick in the momentum itself.
Oh man! Also look at that stochastic. Jesus Christ, that stochastic just wants to go up. And given that we're near an apex here, we have a few bullish crossovers on the stochastic. Man. So guys, obviously not financial advice. Technical analysis is a game of probabilities, not certainties, but I personally think we're more, in my opinion, I think we're likelier than not to break up than we are to break down. But again, that's not a guarantee. We could definitely break down and see further consolidation. That's 100% a possibility for sure. If I could just throw out something as well here, if we can take this kind of ascending triangle that we were in here, right? And if we take the length of it, or kind of the height of it, you know, and we assume 1160 is the breakout point, that would take us, if indeed if we are to continue trending bullishly, that would take us to like the mid 1500s. So again, right. I think it's a matter of time.
And if it doesn't go there, guys, then you can definitely get your lawsuits ready and make sure you sue Brendan, because it's definitely the way I would go about this.
Guys, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Now, I think we're likely to see a big move here within the next few hours, 3 hours or so. I think we're likely to break out.
Right.
And whatever way we close, because we can wick above a direction and then get rejected and go the other way. So it's important to close above this red or green line to understand direction.
Definitely. And that's why they need to join our Discord. If you haven't joined our Discord yet, make sure you join it, because you'll see this information live. We post it right away, and it's much quicker than YouTube. So make sure you join us for sure, just 100%. To see how this plays out.
Link for that down in the description below. Give our Twitter a follow. We talk crypto there as well. We started a Rarible store. We're creating NFTs. It's a great way to support the channel. If you can give us a follow on Rarible, as well, consider buying an NFT. That's it for me, man. I don't know if you got anything else.
No, we're good. We're good.
Like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit the bell icon to be notified of new uploads. That's it for now, y'all. Take care.